Why do some automotive aftermarket products start trends? What is it that sets them apart? Magnum bumpers by ICI are known for style, innovative design, and uncompromised quality in manufacturing. Magnum is the fastest growing brand of premium custom bumpers in the USA. We'll show you what sets Magnum bumpers apart from the rest and why you should choose a Magnum bumper for your truck. Our skilled team of engineers begins the process of creating a new product by asking, how can we be different? What would we want if it were our truck? What are customers asking for? An example is the way we design our rear bumper so customers can easily transfer rear sensors from the factory bumper into their new Magnum bumper. This feature yields a precise fit, and more importantly, it resolved customers' concerns regarding ease of installation. Once the design and engineering phase are complete, our engineering and production teams meet to discuss how to manufacture the bumper. Production begins with the finest material that will provide the best possible surface quality, premium heavy-duty cold-rolled steel. Design files are sent electronically to the plasma cutter, ensuring each component is cut precisely for a perfect fit. We bend and form the steel because our engineers have specifically designed our bumpers to minimize the amount of seam welding required. This provides more stability and structural integrity in the finished bumper. Magnum bumpers are designed around the truck body to fit like the original factory bumper. Welding is the next step. Then we measure. For quality and consistency in manufacturing, each member of our production team uses their company-issued tablet to verify the bumper measurements are accurate. The next stage is the finishing process. Magnum bumpers are hand-finished by the finest metal fabricators in the industry. Their attention to quality and detail is second to none. Each bumper is measured and cross-measured once more. Preparing the bumper for powder coating is a two-step process. Before the bumper is assembled, each individual steel component passes through a surfacing machine. Then, once assembled, we sandblast the bumper to prepare the surface for powder coating, resulting in a longer-lasting, more durable finish. This type of attention to detail and quality is how we offer our industry-leading warranty. After sandblasting, the bumper is ready for our unique three-stage powder coating process. To begin, we dip each Magnum bumper in a cleaning, degreasing, and sealing solution. This solution reaches the hard-to-access areas of the bumper and helps pull the primer and powder into those areas, reducing the potential for corrosion. After dipping, the bumpers are stored for 24 hours to ensure that the sealant has properly cured. Once cured, we heat the bumper to 400 degrees. The heat prepares the surface for the primer and powder coat. Stage 2 of the powder coating process is applying the zinc primer and reheating the bumper. This provides more protection against corrosion and creates a more receptive surface for the final powder coat. The third and final stage is applying the textured powder coating and reheating the bumper for an hour to cure. The result is a beautiful, durable, matte black finish that resists corrosion. The cured finished bumper is then thoroughly inspected. You will notice the quality control tag that accompanied the bumper at each step. This tag originates when the order for the bumper is placed. At each of our quality control checkpoints, every employee who has a hand in crafting your bumper puts their employee ID on the tag. Their mark signifies that they are standing behind their work. The bumper is now ready for packaging. Our team inspects the final result and ensures that all measurements meet our standards and that the correct brackets and hardware are included for installation. To reduce the risk of freight damage, we ship each Magnum bumper in a custom-built wooden crate so the bumpers arrive in perfect condition. Once again, we go above and beyond. Now that you've seen what goes into the creation of every Magnum bumper, who do you want making the bumpers for your truck? Isn't it time you stepped up to Magnum?